Super Kids! Today we're making popcorn slime, right? With what? Tell them what we're making it with.
Real slime!
Real popcorn, he means. Look at it. You guys, we have real popcorn and we want to see.
Let's flip it.
Yeah, we want to see how our popcorn slime will feel with the real popcorn, you guys. So, if you guys want to learn how to make our popcorn slime, then keep on watching. Don't forget to do what, Siah? We'll tell them what to do.
Click the red button
Down below. And don't forget to like this video.
And make sure when you do this slime, make sure you flip it.
Oh, make sure you flip it and comment if you try this slime, okay? So let's get started. You ready? What's first when making slime?
Glue.
All right, he's a slime connoisseur. That means a slime professional. Here, let me help you.
Glue. We need a lot of glue to make a big one.
All right.
That's enough.
All right, Miss.
Now coloring.
Yellow coloring. That looks like orange,
It looks like
right?
red.
Hey, but try this one. This one's definitely yellow.
Oh, this one is red?
I mean, let's try it. Maybe it is yellow. Here, you can pour some drops. Just pour one drop and see. What is it? Just one drop.
Oh, it's red.
All right, let me see. Don't drop no more. Let me see.
It's red.
You have to mix it. Here, mix it first and see if it's yellow, orange, or red.
Oh, it's orange.
Yeah, we don't want orange, so
Papa.
popcorn should be yellow.
Let's see what orange and yellow makes.
Okay. I'm pouring. It's taking a while to drop, Super Kids, but it's going. You can mix for me while it's dropping for Siah.
What? Now it looks like, oh, cool.
What do it look like?
Yellow and orange. Orange yellow.
Yep. I got some on my finger. This is a catastrophe.
This is not the catastrophe, guys. It's cool.
It is cool.
Look, see, it makes like a yellow.
A beautiful yellow.
So yellow, orange makes yellow.
Look, it kind of
Yellow.
looks like the popcorn a little bit, right?
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna add some lotion. Oops, sorry. You could at least you could wipe your lotion on your hand. All right, I am not wasting any more of my good lotion. Now mix, mix.
Mix.
You ready to add the borax?
Yeah. It's
All right.
gonna feel really hard.
You ready? Little at a time, guys. Yeah, you gotta hold the bowl.
No more. No more.
No more? What do you mean no more? It's gonna be a sticky slime.
What if we put more? It will be a sticky.
You see, it needs some more.
More.
Alright, mix. Super Siah's adding some popcorn. Even though it's not all the way activated or it's not slime, we want to keep it sticky just to see if we're gonna need a lot of borax or not. I'm gonna dump all of it. Ooh. Here.
It's really cool.
Dad, don't eat it. It's disgusting. Ew, Super Dad. You
Ew.
ate it.
Ew, you ate the slime.
The popcorn.
And the slime.
Look at it, guys.
Why would you eat the slime popcorn?
Yeah, Super Dad, why would you eat it?
That's nasty.
Nasty. Alright, here, Siah.
And now
you
you're
mix.
gonna be more sick.
I think he ate one that was not in the
Slime.
yeah. Hey, but it's looking really good.
Ah!
Sorry. Okay, it does need to be activated some more. So
I'm gonna do it little by little.
okay, here. Little by little. Don't forget the word you just said. That's not a little by little. That's enough. That's enough. There we go. I thought he was going to put it again.
I was making sure it don't be sticky.
Can,
I guess more. That's not.
yeah, put some on this side because right here is very wet on this side. Yeah, that's enough.
That's That's little by little.
Yeah, that's what little by little looks like. Can you see it, Super Kids, transforming in front of our eyes?
Look! It don't really look like popcorn.
Oh, it's still wet. We're gonna need some more slime for this. Before I can touch it, yeah, let's pour some more. You pour some more right here. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. This slime is officially ruined. Let's see.
That's not ruined. I made it unsticky. You see, I made it unsticky.
All right. I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty now.
Yay!
No more borax, Siah. Ooh.
Good. I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty too. Oh, it's wet.
All right, Siah. You guys can see me. Oh, it's not as wet as I thought. Oh, it is wet.
Haha.
Hell, I need borax on my hands. That's enough. That's enough. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's way too much. Move. I'm not letting Super Siah be in charge of the borax ever again. Well, look at your slime, mister. Take a look at it. Get up. All right, I'm gonna put this popcorn slime on your head.
Ah!
Look.
Look under it. It looks so cool.
It does look cool.
You can see all the popcorn. Ah!
So,
I see
Super Kids,
popcorn.
this is how our slime
I see
looks.
popcorn. Ah! A popcorn purple.
Let's see. Here, let me give you a piece of it.
Ah!
Yeah, trust me, it's very activated. You don't have to worry about it being as sticky as I wanted it because he made sure it was.
Stretchy.
Oh, it still looks good. You can see all the little corn pops in there.
And you can see it be stretchy like.
The white corn kettle stuff just disappeared, honestly. I see some right here. You see it, Super Kids? Yeah, this and this. But they really pretty much broke apart.
I took all the brown. I took all the brown.
This is definitely not edible, Super Kids, so you can't eat your popcorn slime. Even though Super Dad ate the popcorn. Oh, you trying to make a bubble?
Yeah.
Me too. Let's try it. I think you put too much borax for the bubble. Yeah, look
maybe
at
you
this.
do this. And then you do this.
Yeah, I think it's overactivated, huh, Super Kid? That's what happens when you put too much slime. It's just rubbery.
Borax.
Too much borax, I mean, Super Kids. Thanks for correcting me, Super Dad. But it's pretty stretchy. I just wish it was a little bit more sticky so I can do like cool stuff with
Maybe
it.
you should make yellow slime with blue slime and orange.
Yellow slime with blue and orange slime too?
Yeah.
Maybe next time we'll make that, Super Kids. Let us know in the comment section if you want us to make that.
In the morning.
Yeah, ask Super Kids. Maybe they want us to make it.
Do you want to make that slime in the morning? They said yeah.
Alright, so we'll make it in the morning.
I think we should do it today. Let's do it today after this video.
So, let's see how it sounds. Could you poke my slime for me, Siah? I have nails.
Oh, bubble!
Come on,
Ooh.
do it again. Ooh. Ooh, he got a nice. He thought he was gonna make a bubble.
I wasn't trying to make a bubble. I was trying to do this.
Oh. Well, Super Kids,
Look, watch this, guys.
at least it has air bubbles. Ooh, next time let's make fluffy slime. I love fluffy slime.
Me too.
Yeah. Well, okay.
It's up to this slime.
He's having fun with his slime over here.
Yeah.
Whoa. Siah's so funny. Bye, Super Kids. See you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.
Hide your eggs. There's always there with treats. It's white and fuzzy with jumpity feet, and a big old buck to teeth. She hops, 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 then bumps, bumps, bumps to the house.